people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is X48 replace words, and in this we'll be given in English we have a concept of called root, which can be followed by some other word to form another longer word. Let's call it this word a derivative. Okay, for example, when a root help is followed by the word full, we can form a derivative which is known as helpful. Okay, and in this we'll be given a dictionary consisting of many roots and a sentence consisting of words separated by spaces, and we have to replace all the derivatives in the sentence with the root forming it. And if a derivative can be replaced by more than one root, replace it with the root with that has the shortest length. Okay, and we have to return the sentence after the replacement. Okay? For example, in this we are having dictionary cat, bat, rat, and the sentence is the kettle was rattled by a battery, and the words, let's say, battery, kettle, and rattled are the what we say derivatives. Okay, and the word cat, bat, rat are the root for these words, so we'll be replacing these with as the cat was rat by the cat was rat by the bat. Okay, and so for this, firstly what we'll be doing, we'll be forming the set out of a dictionary. So let's call a set of string, let's call it dict, that is equal to a new hash set from dictionary. Oh, I guess my spelling is right. Okay, and now let's just form a word strings array from the sentence. So that will be equal to sentence. Okay, yeah, sentence dot split, and we'll be splitting it on the basis of spaces. So we'll be using the separator as a space. Okay, and now what we'll be doing is we'll be having for loop. So we'll be traversing in the words that for int I equal to 0, I less than words dot length, and then I plus plus. Okay, let's firstly have the current word, that is a string word, that will be equal to words I, and now let's have a string builder. So for that we'll be using a string builder, and it will be used to find the shortest word which is present in the dictionary that can be replaced with the current sentence. Okay, so let's we'll be having a new string builder, and we'll be forming a substring out of it, the current word. Okay, string builder sb. Okay, sorry, not sb, yeah, string builder. Just now what we'll be doing is we'll be traversing in the word that for int I equal to 0, I less than word dot length, I plus plus, and then what will be, oh sorry, it should be j instead, my bad, j plus plus. Okay, and now what we'll have to do is we checking the string current word, let's call it cur, that will be equal to sp dot to string, so that we do not have to convert it again and again. Firstly, what we'll be checking that if my dictionary dot contains my word contains my current word, so in that case we'll be updating it to our current words ith position, that will be equal to my current, and we'll be breaking out of the loop. Oh sorry, we cannot, yeah, let's just break it out of the loop. And then what we'll be doing is, otherwise we'll have to do sp dot append the current character dot append word dot char at j. Okay, and so this was the word formation, basically updating the words array. And after that what we'll have to do is we'll be having a string builder, let's call it answer, string builder answer, that will be equal to a new string builder, this will be our answer string. Okay, and now what we'll be having to do is we'll be traversing in the string in the words array, which is the updated words without the derivative string word and words. So we'll be appending answer dot append my word and append a space next to it, not append space, and we'll be returning answer dot to string dot trim to remove the last extra space that we are adding. Okay, and now let's run it. Okay, so word dot length, yeah. Okay, now let's run it again. Yeah, and it gets 50. Now let's submit it. Yeah, and was probably fine. Okay, so yeah, the time complexity is pretty poor because I guess this is almost an of n cube solution because firstly traversing in the words array and then traversing each word, then we're finding in the set. So for this, what I'll like to suggest you that you can go for a try solution. You can just Google it out yourself and you'll be able to find it. The try solution would have been much longer and I was not having enough time, so I just gave you a brief code solution. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.